Hello beautiful people, Sandro Stefanucci here, and I just wanted to show you this drain tile. See, as you can see, there's weep holes in the drain tile itself, right? So this is basic drain tile. This is a solid tile that collects a rainwater leader, and it goes through here, which what I wanted to show you is the fact to see the dirt and the sediment build up inside the pipe. Back in the day when these guys first put this stuff on, there's a hole on both sides, as you can see. There's a hole right here as well, and this pipe is actually installed upside down. It's supposed to be the other way around, so no dirt or rock fall into it. And as you can see, it's starting to fall inside here already. This is 18 years old, so I mean, it's not bad, but it's not good. Eventually, there's not enough water pressure coming through here to actually clean that out. If it was installed correctly, you wouldn't have that. Any sediment that would come in there would be fine enough that the water would just kind of pull out and just drain automatically and just weep and just get collected up downstream where the sump is. But you can see it's building up inside here already, so this whole house is done like this, so eventually it will clog up and it won't work properly. So at least a good thing with this is you can get a router in there and just kind of clean it out, pressure wash it through there, and it will clean it out. But again, it fills up again because the pipe's installed incorrectly. So the writing is it's at the bottom here, but it should be at the top, which has these two holes on either side. Should be down at the bottom here, so no rock or dirt gets inside. There you go. Take care, guys.